Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make Tzatziki sauce without cucumber. Strain 2 cups of Greek yogurt using cheesecloth for at least 2 hours to reach thick texture. Mix in 1 clove minced garlic, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon chopped dill, and 1 tsp extra virgin olive oil. Season with salt and pepper, then chill for 30 minutes to let flavors meld before serving with pita or grilled meats. If you want alternatives, try ricotta, labneh, or thick strained yogurt to keep tang and body. For a subtle vegetable note without cucumber, grate peeled zucchini very finely and squeeze out excess moisture. Add a splash of white wine vinegar or extra lemon for brightness. Swap dill for mint or parsley to change the herbal direction. Taste frequently and adjust salt and acid until the balance feels perfect for your palate. Texture is key, so always remove excess moisture from any added vegetable or cheese. Use a fine grate or food processor for consistent texture and press with paper towels if needed. Start with modest garlic and lemon, then increase slowly to avoid overpowering the yogurt. Olive oil added at the end gives silkiness and sheen. Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes so herbs and acid mellow and the sauce thickens slightly before serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.